this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Temu cannot change email. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first is going to be because you sign in with Apple or Google. If you originally signed up with a quick social login like Apple or Google, Temu links your account to that third-party service. And now in order to fix it, what you need to do is simply go ahead into your U tab, into the settings. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for account security and look for the option to change Temu password first. Once you create a password, you will be allowed to unlink and change your primary email. If that is not the case, then the only way you can go ahead and change it is going to be by clicking on this top right headphone icon, scrolling all the way down and clicking on contact us and tell them your problem. Their customer service is going to go ahead and change it for you. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.